Are you searching for the best gasoline engine 4-stroke? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best gasoline engine 4-stroke in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. 210cc 7.5 horsepower petrol engine. 4-stroke gasoline features, overhead valve, OHV design, low fuel consumption, low operating temperature, high performance, large capacity air filter, improve air filtration performance and reduce wear. Metal cam, forged crankshaft, the whole machine adopts high-quality materials with stronger performance and longer life. Cast iron cylinder liner, easy to start, engine running more stable. Application, compressor scarifier, lawnmower or pump generator pressure washer. Go-kart lawnmower, cement mixer, dust collector, flail mower. High power, our motors are powerful and can convert internal energy into kinetic energy faster. Wide application. This gasoline engine is widely used in aircraft, automobiles, racing boats, racing cars, small agricultural machinery, garden machinery, and so on. High-quality drive system. Our motors are of high quality. They are thoroughly inspected before leaving the factory to ensure that each engine has a high-quality powertrain.